Hello everyone, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see how to install Selene Media Converter on Ubuntu 17.04. Selene is an audio video converter for converting your files to the desired audio video format. It is designed using a simple GUI to convert to the files desired with powerful command line options for automated or unattended encoding. Now let us see the installation of Selene on Ubuntu 17.04. For that, switch to your Ubuntu terminal. In an updated machine, first add a required repository. Now press enter to continue. After adding your repository, update your system by running apt-get update command. After updating your system, install your application by following command. Now press Y. After installation, launch your application. Click on the icon to launch up your application. After launching your application, you will be able to get a terminal like this. Now in order to add an audio or a video file, click on this Add tab. I'm going to convert my music files first, which is in MP3 format. Click on the Start. Once it got finished, click on this Finish button and click on this preset icon and change the format which you want it to be get converted. I want this to get converted in .wav format. So select the format and its extension. This is how you can convert your audio or video file. If in case of video, select a video file and click Start. And click Finish. Next, go on your preset. I'm going to remove this audio file which I have already converted. Click on this preset icon and change the format to be converted and click Save. Now your video file gets converted into the format which we have given, and thus we have seen how to install Selene, which is an audio or video converter to the required formats on Ubuntu 17.04. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel Linux Help. For further tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.